With the onset of cold weather comes the time to clean or repair furnaces. Laura's Bureau of Construction Codes wants to remind consumers to be on the lookout this time of year for furnace scam artists who use scare tactics to try to sell expensive and unnecessary repairs or equipment. Make sure to hire a licensed professional from a reputable company to winterize your home heating system. Before hiring a heating contractor, BCC says to consider these tips. Check the warranty on your system to see whether any repairs or replacements are covered. Remember that many heating systems come with long-term warranties. Don't do business with door-to-door salespeople, and don't fall for telephone solicitations that offer low cost or free furnace cleanings. Ask to see the Michigan Mechanical Contractor's license and write down the contractor's name and license number. Verify that the license is valid online at michigan.gov/BCC license or call the BCC Mechanical Division at 517-241-9325. For more tips on how to avoid furnace cleaning scams, visit the Bureau of Construction Codes website at michigan.gov/BCC.